Open your photo in Camera Raw. Select Remove. Under Distraction Removal, you'll find Blemishes. Apply this. You have an amount and a fade slider. I will show you what both sliders are used for. The amount slider removes temporary blemishes such as acne and sores. If you increase the value, it first removes the most prominent blemishes. A higher value removes all the detected blemishes. The fade slider determines the visibility of permanent marks such as moles and freckles. A low value shows all the marks and a higher value removes more marks. This is what it looks like if you fully remove both the temporary and permanent blemishes. If you select Show Overlay on Hover, it shows all the areas where blemishes were removed. Select Refine to manually adjust specific areas. Select Restore. And brush over an area to bring back the original blemish, mole or mark. Select Remove. And brush over an area to erase a blemish that wasn't removed. Apply the adjustments. And that's how you automatically remove blemishes.